Naghahanap ka ba ng hotel sa Fukuoka? Hello guys, I'm Kevin, your DIY budget traveler. We're in Comfort Inn Hotel sa Fukuoka Tenjin area. 20 minutes lang siya from the airport. Check-in time ay 3 p.m. Ang check-out time naman ay 10 a.m. Nagbayad kami ng tax upon check-in. Room rates less than 20,000 yen, 200 yen per person per night ang tax. If above 20,000 yen naman, 500 yen per night. Bago kayo umakyat, pwede kayong kumuha ng mga complimentary amenities nila. Ang perfect ng location na to, 1 minute walk lang sa station at 7-Eleven, 2 minutes walk ang Lawson at drugstore, 3 minutes walk ang I'm Donut, tapat mo lang ang Sukiya, at ang lapit lang ng Yoshinoya. Grabe guys, walking distance lang ang mga yatay, yung supermarket, Donkey, Daikoku, Uniqlo, and GU. Mapapabook ka talaga sa hotel na to. Guys, nabook namin to through Agoda. Don't forget to use my promo code KevinAgoda for 8% discount. Tara guys, room tour tayo. May luggage rack, hanger, and garment spray. Ganito naman yung itsura ng bed natin. May headlamp at outlet each side. Ito yung vanity natin guys. May TV, may safety box, electric kettle, hair dryer, and yung ref natin. May shoehorn and shoe brush din sila. Check naman natin ang CR nila guys. Siyempre, andyan ang smart toilet and yung mga towels at may luxury shower na sila with full body sprayer. City center comfort, great value, and zero regrets. This is the stay you've been looking for.